Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how can you publish your game on a Kongregate gaming website. This is a best and popular gaming website. If you will publish your game on this gaming website, then you can get lot of audience. Here you can see Kongregate website's annual revenue. It's $25 million to $50 million. Here you can see this is my game. I have made this game using 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website. And here you can see I have published this game on Amazon App Store. Now I'm going to publish this game on Kongregate gaming website. Here you can see Kongregate gaming website gets over 3 million visits monthly. Here you can see this website gets over 41% visits from United States. If you will publish your game on this gaming website, then you can get lot of audience. Let me show you how you can publish your game on this gaming website. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on Kongregate website. Now click on this button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see Kongregate game submission. I'm going to submit my game. First of all, you will have to type here your email address. Now type here your game name. Now you will have to type here company name or developer name. I'm going to type here my name. You can also type here your name. Now you will have to type here short description of your game. Here you can see they are asking what monetization model does your game use. You can select ads. Now select in-app purchases option. Scroll down. Now you will have to type here URL. Guys, I have published my game on Amazon App Store. I'm going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to paste here URL of my game. Guys, if you have not published your game on any app store, then you will have to upload gameplay video on social media network. You can also upload gameplay video on Google Drive. Guys, here you can see I have uploaded gameplay video on YouTube. I'm going to copy URL of this gameplay video. Right click here. Now click on copy link address button. Now you can go on Kongregate website and paste your URL of your gameplay video. Okay, after completing it, you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see here, I have submitted this form successfully. Kongregate website's owner will review my game. After that, they will send email for further information. Guys, using this method, you can also publish your game on Kongregate gaming website. You can get lot of audience from Kongregate gaming website. You will not need to pay money, it's free. And this gaming website is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can publish your game from anywhere in the world. If you want to learn how to publish your game on Amazon App Store, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.